This 2025 Winnebago Access 18RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, microwave, refrigerator, water heater, skylight, awning, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Access 18RK is 3,900 pounds. This 2025 Winnebago Access 18RK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.